For the people out there that's thinking about giving up, don't do it. Better days are yet to come. For the women out there that's thinking about being their best friend for sleeping with their man, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. It ain't really worth it, you know? You ain't gonna gain nothing out of that. You feel what I'm saying? It's life. You just gotta move on from it and just know who to trust. But for the men, hold on, I gotta get a cigarette. For the men who out here there that's thinking about, you know what I'm saying? For the men that's out there thinking about beating that bitch ass for sleeping with your homie, you do that shit, nigga. You Ike and Tina that hoe. You animate that hoe. You know what I'm saying? Cause that bitch know better. You man, anime that hoe. Anime me when they say anime, that's Ike and Tina. Nigga, that's anime eat the cake that hoe, bitch. Bow, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You light a cigarette and drink 2 Pepsis and prepare yourself for that whole like, bitch, you did what with my homie? You dab and stayed up. Dab, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You do everything to that whole, I don't give a fuck. Bitch, you shouldn't have slept with my motherfucking homie, cause that was dead ass motherfucking wrong. Yeah, I slept with your best friend, so what though? So what?